What about your side when you know? Let the money see you know. I'm going to get a test on the boy. I can't hear you. Madam, no, can be sent me. I can't hear you. Like this, or there's an aqua. I'll bang like I told said that I want to. I want to. I'm going to say, yeah. Yeah, money is a car. Or do you 20,000, or do me 5,000, or do me 10,000, or do me 20,000, or see I'm yeah, the man. Nina, no, I was a baby, was about you. Aqua, or your forest.
The demolition of lands in Tema. According to stories, they claim that those place is a waterlogged area, which is going to, in the future, going to cause huge floods over there. People have illegally built such houses, big houses in those places. So because of our recent flood that led to demolition of people's house flooding and all those things, now the government has stepped in, NADMO has stepped in, and it is constantly destroying, whether you are built a mansion, whatever that you are built, they are constantly destroying lands. It is time for Ghana to work again. And if you know that you are building at a place that is waterlogged, that in the future is going to cause flood, that in the future is going to block drainage and all that, then the government has to come in to destroy and to step in to save the future occurrences of flood and all that.
Allow him to have his way. Now, when you look at this particular structure we are talking about, this is a two-story structure. The second floor is coming up gradually, but the first floor, we can say, is almost done. So they are finding means to bring it down, and it looks so tall and solid on the point where the earth moving machine is finding it so difficult to, this is a payloader, it's finding it so difficult to bring this building down.
There are people that are claiming that the forestries and the lands commissioners and other people that involve themselves in officers that involve in lands always come around to take bribe, 50,000, 40,000, and all that. There's one woman that was crying bitterly, claiming that this is what is happening. They come to take 5,000, 30,000, 50,000, 40,000, trying to encourage them that, oh, they can build, they can build.
What about your side when you know? Demolitions, I'm going to get a test on the boy. I can't hear you. Madam, no, can be sent me. I can't hear you. Like this, there's an aqua. I'll bang like I told said that I want to. I want to. I told said, yeah, money is a car. Or do you 20,000, or do me 5,000, or do me 10,000, or do me 20,000, or see them, yeah, the man, Nina, no, I was a baby, was about you, Puno, Aqua, or your forestry man, or heavy video, how much function, what that, on their corner, how much function, so, almost a bribe. I got informed with the getting the bribe. I don't know where any now. Almost a good see.
Now, what would you bribe? No, who needs a higher flat area?
Over 40,000. I would do
now, over
40,000. I would do panel. About how the trust say, demolition, or about the catcher say, I come. I have you fine. Be fine. And see. I just can say, now be there, come on, yen sit down, and then they are able down.
Now, sister, wow, we see down, and we say a higher flat area.
Higher flat area, because
now, since you know,
flat started free under estate, and then yes, sit down, sir, because in Sunday morning we sit down, and we're feeling the air come back. Sunday down it's here. Now you go, someone drink Ghana from me down here, someone drink Ghana from what they Ghana from. That's the one for us to be the same one. Then I want, then I want,
they can build. At the end of the day, all the building that they did, the government has stepped in, NADMO has stepped in to demolish every land. It's very sad and heartbreaking because it takes a very long time to gather money to do certain things. So if it comes that somebody has to use one day to destroy something, it is not fair. So we are hoping that God will console such people that are affected with the demolition of these lands. At the end of the day, though they are hurt, Ghana will be saved, I will be saved, our future generation will be saved and all that. So we hope for the best and all that.